Hey guys, good morning. Good morning from Loughborough University. So I have come to UK for a couple of days to meet my daughter as she's doing a sports management PG program here. And like I'm meeting after almost 8 months. So I was excited to meet her. So, so the traveling was a little long. It was 10.5 hours direct flight, even though it's a direct flight. But still, it was tiring in a sense that I was sitting for a longer time. And the people who are suffering from back stiffness or back pain, lower back pain, so they are well aware that sitting is sometimes troubles, right? So being a conscious person, I was consciously getting up in between, walking and roaming in the flight, then a little bit of stretching my legs and my arms. So that has helped me. Then I slept a couple of hours, which has given me totally freshness in the flight. And so when I came back, I was excited to meet her. Then I thought, okay, whatever you may say, माँ माँ होती है ना? तो बच्चे कुछ बोले ना बोले तो माँओं को लगता है no no no, we have to cook for them, we have to do something different what my child likes. So I just went in a kitchen, I started cooking the dinner, and तो मेरी बैग का घंटा बज गया because I was again standing for a very long time. And then yesterday was a day of introspection day for in all angles. So it was 18th, which is a D-Day for all of us, and we planned to go to a Gurudwara. And there also, like, I was walking on the street for more than 2 hours, continuously walk, and then we went to Gurudwara. Then we shopped in Tesco for 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 yesterday night's food. So I love shopping in Russian. I love shopping all these things. And by the time I reached home, it was crazily, I was having a terrible stiffness in my back. But still, a lot of friends came, so I was enjoying with them and also dancing with them. Then in the night, when I went inside the room, I can't tell you how my back was stiff. And then what I did, I just thought of ignoring it for a while and tried to sleep, but it was not coming because it was too stiff. So then I got up, lie down on my mat, and I started doing these stretching exercises. And some of the stretches are very powerful, and I knew that how I have to heal my lower back. So I did all those stretches, and with that, it was so fresh my body was. Then I put alarm for my water intake because I realized that the whole day I have not drank the proper water. So the oxygen is not gone to my entire body, entire muscles. The muscles are becoming little dehydrated and weak. And now since morning I got up, I came for a walk here. It's such a beautiful place, just watch it. And so much peaceful, quiet. And then I did lots and lots of cognitive exercises for my mind, for my pain, and I'm absolutely fresh. I got up absolutely fresh, right? So this is the tip for you guys. If you are straining yourself physically, so the best way to come out of the strain is find a place for yourself which is totally थोड़ा सा quiet, शांत, और देखो क्या wonders होते हैं, and start doing some mind exercises which will help you to release your pain. Right? So anyone is there right now? Hello, Sangeeta. Hey, Sangeeta, how are you? Nice to see you. So मुझे पता नहीं अभी इंडिया में कितने बजे हैं. I think it must be कितने 2:33 होंगे वहाँ पे. Right, so it's your lunch time. So Sangeeta, how are you? How's your back? Is it fine? How's your routine? How's your bachas? So let Sangeeta reply. And if you guys have any questions related to your travel with this pain, related to doing certain extra tiring exercises, tiring strengthening, the tiring, sometimes you unknowingly you get that stress, right? So stress is the main culprit, which I always says. But we need to identify कि stress good है या bad है. Stress होता है, good हो या bad हो. But stress को हमने वो good stress को किस तरह से अपने सिस्टम के अंदर लेना है और वो bad stress को किस तरह से अपने सिस्टम से निकालना है, ये सब कुछ के लिए एक specific way है, technical way है, which we need to learn and work on it. Right? Hi Anupama, how are you? Nice to see you after a long time. Yeah, it's 2:15. Yes, Sangeeta, so it's your lunch time. Great. So do you have any questions related to pain? Whether the pain is your physical pain, mental pain or emotional pain, this is what I say. So everything is connected, darlings. So there is no pain which is not connected. So everything is connected. Hi, hello Anupama. So yesterday I had put that सूरज देवता मेरे साथ आ रहे हैं, तो सबने थोड़ा सा funny messages I got it on the thing, क्योंकि हर चीज़ connected है. मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँगी, Mother Earth will also follow me. Sun, God, Sun is also following me. So means what? We all are connected. Everything is connected, right? So when you say you have physical pain, it is connected to your emotions. So when you say that it is emotional pain, it is connected to your mind. And when you say my mind is disturbed, my mind is upset, so somewhere spiritual quotient is lesser. So we need to balance everything to make our physical body healthy and happy, right? Hi Debasmita, really great background, है ना? रुको, मैं आपको ना थोड़ा सा और दिखाती हूँ, रुकिए जरा. मैं ना थोड़ी लेजी हूँ और एक जगह पे बैठ गई हूँ. Let me show it to you guys. So see on my back. So this is the grey color building where Akanksha stays, and I'll show you one more thing. So I was making a bit fun yesterday that I'm taking a breath, and when I'm doing breathe out, the room is getting over. The room is khatam. So this is the window. That's the window of our room. So the morning when I got up, the sun was exactly shining on my face. And so this is the, है ना Debasmita, अच्छा लग रहा है ना? The dots are connecting dots by Steve Jobs. Yes, correct. See guys. So this is the entire university is, hi, hello, good morning. So all her friends. तो ये देखो यहाँ से, just see the place. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful, guys? So much of greenery, and I remember my childhood. तो मेरा बचपन अमृतसर में हमने एक स्कूल में पढ़ाई की है. I was in a hostel, Alexandra High School, and that was made by British people, that was run by British people, and बिल्कुल exactly ऐसी ईंट की छत, ईंट की building, and I love this red bricks always, because I feel कि ये मुझे अपना childhood याद कराता है. So guys, childhood is such one thing which never leaves you, and we need to identify what is best in my childhood, what are the things which was disturbing in my childhood, and the healing should happen immediately. Okay, so messages are coming. Debsmita Basu says woo woo. Debsmita says wow, you two are looking bright and beautiful. Oh, thank you. एंड संगीता सेज आपको देखकर वैसे ही एनर्जी मिलती है. ठीक है संगीता. मुझे लग रहा है मैं कुछ ज़्यादा दूर जा रही हूँ तो मेरा नेटवर्क जा रहा है. सो लेट मी स्टैंड हियर. Let me show you one more thing, that there's a road. Okay. So I think my network is crazily going. तो मैं अभी reverse back कर रही हूँ. Let me stand here and talk to you guys. So any questions anyone has, संगीता, related to energy, कि कहीं आपकी energy थोड़ी सी डगमगा तो नहीं जाती? तो डगमगाती है तो क्यों डगमगाती है, इसके बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं. सो एंड नाइस टू सी यू गाइज यार, ऑल ऑफ यू. वाओ, ग्रीनरी. यस, it's very beautiful, Devsmita. It's a huge university, and yesterday I was shocked to see Akanksha's friends. They were all most of them were from Bangalore, and like लग ही नहीं रहा था मुझे कि भी मैं इंडिया छोड़ के यहाँ पे आई हूँ. सो मैनी पीपल वर देयर, इंडियंस वर देयर. Wherever I went to Gurudwara, and in that town we met so many people. Then as a Punjabi mom, I have invited everyone. Please come, we'll have fun. So they have a beautiful, huge kitchen. So we just made some salads and soups and all these things. So it was fun. Okay, so Devsmita says energy transform when greenery comes. Yes, nature guys. So you know, when yesterday I was entering, I would like to share my experience with you. That when I entered here, it was so peaceful and calm. At one place, like I just sat and I felt, oh my God, this quietness sometimes talks to you. You know that कई बारी शांति तुम लोगों के साथ बात करती है. शांत इज इन दी एटमोसफेयर. तो जब वो, एंड समटाइम्स यू गो टू सम प्लेसेस, यू विल सी कि ओ माय गॉड, इट इज सो काम, बट देन वी आर शाउटिंग एंड क्रेजीली मेकिंग, क्रिएटिंग साउंड्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. एंड देन मैंने एक बार कहीं पे पढ़ा था, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर वेयर, बट आई रेड समवेयर दैट कि peace also needs peace. So sometimes we disturb peace when we go to a peaceful place and create some hangama and always like we are into. So that's good. That's good to be in masti mode. But in some places when there is so much of calmness, and so then I think we also need to add on with them, and we also need to help them to maintain their surroundings. Let me just sit here for a while. Okay. So, wow, great metaphor. Yes, Devsmita. Hi, Geeta. Hello, Manju. हाँ जी, मंजू दी, कैसे हो आप? आपको बहुत देर के बाद मैं आपका नाम पढ़ रही हूँ यहाँ पे. तो Devsmita, you know Punjabi, बल्ले बल्ले. That's great. Okay, so there are cars are coming, so I don't know whether I have to sit here or not, because मुझे अभी थोड़े रूल्स का इतना पता है नहीं. तो इंडियंस को पंगा लेने की आदत होती है. करेक्ट. So I was just talking to you guys कि शांति में जब हम कहीं जाते हैं, where there is lot of peace, so give that energy to that peace. So when you give energy with your all 5 senses alert, right? So when I'm giving energy, literally feeling that energy is moving, just watch, wonders happens. Then that pass on. So everything is give and take, correct? So when I say everything is give and take, जितने भी पेड़ हैं यहाँ पे, so I was just roaming, and I was standing in front of each tree and taking that oxygen from them, and then I'm passing the carbon dioxide to them, right? So it's give and take. So everything is give and take. So in relationships, in dealing with anybody. So just watch your action. What are you giving? And then you expect from them what they will give. So do not expect, because what you will give, you will get. Yeah, anyone has questions? I love to see so many people. Manju, Depsmita, Geeta, Sangeeta, Anupama. Hi, Anupama. Anu. Hi, Anu. So, Anupama is Anu, right? So, I call Anupama Anu. She's a good friend best friend of mine. Okay, so Depsmita's Indians are super powerful. Wherever they go, they become the ideal of that place. Correct. So any questions, guys, you have? Anything, Depsmita, you wanted to ask? So I'm there. So I thought, okay, let me just... I will never get this kind of quietness in Bangalore, at least where I'm staying. I'm staying hub of Bangalore, which is very good. I'm very positive about it. Thank you so much. But it's very crowded. So it's full of noise and traffic all around because my house is on the main road. Hello, Bhavna. Thank you, dear. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming and saying hi to me. So guys, how's your day started? Okay, how's your Josh? Can you put it in the comment box? How's your Josh today? So Josh कैसा है आप लोगों का? Hello. So today our topic is that how important is to balance your 4 bodies. How energy, okay, Depsmita says, okay, how energy is related with shifting in mindset. Oh, such a beautiful question, Depsmita. So energy has a big role plays when it comes to the mindset, because if my energy is low, I'm creating a negative thought. If my energy is high, I am creating a positive thought. And mindset always shift through these thinking, through the thoughts, through the feelings what I created for that event or for a person or for any other thing, right? Because you can't understand anything just like that. There is either the event has happened or some person has spoken to you in certain way where you get those feelings of high energy and low energy, or some kind of a internal self. Sometimes internal self-talk makes a lot of difference in our energy. So what I'm giving that energy, what I'm talking to my own self to pass on that energy, to that high energy or a low energy, right? So if I'm talking little low about myself, that also revolves around my energy, and because of that energy, my mindset changes. Mindset means what? Mindset is that how you are making your mindset to take actions, you know. So because if the mindset is positive, my actions are always positive. If my mindset is not that great and it is going on a negative mode, then definitely my actions are also, my responses are also negative, right? Getting it? Got your answer, Depsmita? Hi Minder, how are you? Depsmita says, Punjabi mummy खुश देखकर जोश आ गया. Correct. So जोश एक ऐसी चीज है. Let me drink some water. So जोश एक ऐसी चीज है that is within. जोश बाहर से नहीं आता. एनर्जी एक ऐसी चीज है दैट इज विद इन. वो बाहर से ठीक है, एड ऑन होती है. कोई ना कोई इवेंट से, सर्कमस्टेंसेस से, लोगों से वो एड ऑन होती है, यू नो. ईदर इट्स लेट मी जस्ट सी व्हाट इट इज. अच्छा, इट्स ऑन द मेन रोड. ओके, तो वो एड ऑन होती है या सब्ट्रैक्ट होती है. तो उसमें एक कॉन्शियसनेस लानी, mindfulness lani in your actions, in your talking, in your environment makes a lot of difference. Anji Minder, enjoy your time with your daughter. Thank you, dear. Yes, I'm in UK. And yeah, Dipsmita. So you got your answer. So energy is within. So you need to create that awareness where you know how you tap your right energy. So only you need to have that tool of tapping the energy. Getting it? So how do you differ from Josh and energy? So Josh and energy is the same. So Josh we call it in Hindi and energy we call it in English. So that how's the Josh today, like we say. And energy we say, how's the energy today? So it's almost the same how you take it. So जोश हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं और energy हम लोग इसको English में बोलते हैं. Getting it? So it's the same. So you should ask yourself when you are getting up in the morning in front of the mirror, just ask, how's the Josh, Dipsmita? To yourself in the mirror. So how's the Josh, Wendy? How's the Josh, Sangeeta? How's the Josh, Menda? How's the Josh, Bhavna? How's the Josh, Anupama? Ask yourself. How's the Josh, Manju? How's the Josh, Geeta? So ask, you will get the reply. Watch it, right? So Bhavna, to let you know, visited Isha Yoga Center and doing Kriya Yoga. Wonderful experience at Yoga Center. Wonderful. Whoosh, power to you, Bhavna. It's it's a game changing. Certain exercises of these kind of exercises always changes our mind and body. And wish you all the best. And I share the experience once when you finish, and that's wonderful to know that. And definitely when you go to these kind of places, you have lots of energy around you. So Josh is a behavioral expression, and energy is the within expression. Yes, I would like to tell you this, Dipsmita. So Josh is the physical expression of a thing where you physically having that expression of Josh, and energy is a within expression of internal expression of showing that Josh. Getting it, guys? Yeah. So मैं ईशा फाउंडेशन गई हूँ. सो स्वीट संगीता. तो जब हम ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ में जाते हैं, हम किसी मंदिर में जाते हैं या गुरुद्वारे में जाते हैं या ऐसी कोई हाई वाइब्रेशंस एनर्जीज होती हैं यहाँ पे, and because of those high vibration energies it impacts our entire system. आपने नोटिस किया होगा जब आप, हेलो अलका, नाइस टू सी यू डार्लिंग. सो आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जब हम ऐसी जगह पे कहीं जाते हैं तो हम लोग बहुत पॉजिटिव फील करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा फील करते हैं. एंड आने के बाद भी लाइक वो जो इम्पैक्ट होता है ऐसी किसी भी जगह का, वो कम से कम 24 घंटे तक रहता है, राइट? सो हमारी बॉडी इज सेट, दैट अलार्म सेट है हमारी बॉडी में कि 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन, 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा पॉजिटिविटी रहती नहीं है. एक टाइम तो ज़रूर आफ्टर 12 आवर्स ओनली, नॉट इवन 12 आवर्स, फ्यू आवर्स you will feel that negativity in something, right? Hello Shashi, how are you? Thanks for joining. So getting, guys, are you enjoying this session? Just type it in the comment box तो मुझे पता चले आप enjoy कर रहे हो. तो फिर मैं try करूँगी कि मैं रोज़ एक अच्छा सा topic आप लोगों के लिए लाऊं और यहाँ लंदन की सैर कराऊं. So why lose energy with the growth of ages? But when we see a baby, they have a great energy. Correct? Childhood. And I just said, Dipsmita, if you heard me, that childhood is always with you, within you. So that energy, that power is there with you. Just close your eyes and tap it. Tap, 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 tap. So you should know the tool, how to tap it. So if you are feeling low and you wanted to go to a childhood back, it's wonders you can go. Okay, Bhavna, Yes, Alka enjoying our mentor. Oh, so sweet, Alka. How are you feeling? How's your children, everyone? Everybody enjoying the life? Okay, guys. Now I think थोड़ा सा सूरज देवता जो है ना वो अंदर चला गया है और हल्की हल्की यहाँ पे ठंड शुरू हो गई है. आई थॉट इट्स सन, तो मैंने एक पतली सी विंड शीटर काइंड ऑफ अ जैकेट पहनी है, पर अब मुझे लग रहा थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंड सी लगना लग गई है. यस, एनी क्वेश्चंस बिफोर आई हैंग माय कॉल? Any specific question which you wanted to get the clarity, and I'll try to come at the same time tomorrow as well with a new question. And if you can send me your topics, that would be wonderful to talk about, right? What is the time there? Okay, so Deepsmita, here it is 10:06. So सुबह के 10 बजे हैं. मैं काफ़ी लेट उठी हूँ बिकॉज मैं रात के 2 बजे सोई यूके टाइम, एंड आई गॉट अप अराउंड 8. देन आई केम फॉर अ वॉक. ओके, सो बेबी आए हैं हमारे घर, वंदना. अच्छा, न्यू बेबी अराइवल संगीता, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. दादी और नानी. Okay, so Bhavna, is that Akanksha behind you? No, she's still sleeping. She has a session class in the afternoon. So this madam had come in the room in the 3 o'clock morning. So I think she's still sleeping. Okay, so Deepsmita, Sangeeta says yes. What, Sangeeta, Nani or Dadi? I have not got your answer still. Have you written it? Let me check. दादी. oh wow, second time दादी, right? Congratulations. हम सबकी पदवियां बढ़ रही हैं. तो we should enjoy this. So say thank you. So that thank you to everything. So whatever is happening. So let's acknowledge that gratitude around us. So I'm just acknowledging that today, even though I'm in UK, but I'm able to communicate with you guys. So sweet. And you people are giving me power whoosh, and I'm giving you power whoosh. Whoosh. So power to you guys. Take care. Love you. Write it down, your topics, what you wanted to talk to me in this UK की journey के अंदर. Whoosh. Yes, Bhavna. So all the best. Be consistent. That's my only advice to you. And take power whoosh. Thank you. So be consistent whatever you are doing. You feel the wonders. And also one more tip to you guys: write the experience before you start the practices. Write the experience after you start the practices. Now after this call, also I wanted you to write here in the comment box that what have you learned. Any one thing? Adi, Chappa, 250 grams, whatever you learned from this power whoosh, just write it down and share your feelings. Okay, all the best and love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.